In part 1 of the DNA series, I told you guys that the major cause of DNA damage is the deficiency of amino acids and you should take proteins in every meal. Now, I'll discuss the second major cause of DNA damage, mineral deficiency. 92% of the time when someone is suffering from a disease, it's because of mineral deficiency. The first reason behind mineral deficiency is soil. When a plant grows, it takes minerals from the soil through its roots. And when we eat these plants, then these minerals are transferred into our bodies. This means that if a farmer has grown a crop, he needs to first replenish the soil with fertilizers and only then sow another crop. But due to increasing population and competition, they had no time to wait till soil replenishment. This led to mineral deficiency in our lives. The second reason is electromagnetic radiation. What are we all? We all are energy fields. Our cells have energy around 10 Hz. The electric lines have an energy of 50 Hz. This interferes with the energy present in and around our cells. Mobile phones, Bluetooth, electric lines. Electric lines are so powerful that once scientists did a test and noticed that when they kept cattle or pregnant cows under those electric lines, then the calves born from these cows had deformities and birth defects. Electromagnetic radiation is bad, guys. Trust me for that, it's bad. Third thing is baby formulas. Researchers randomly picked a few baby formulas consisting of soy and corn. Although in India, soy and corn are not genetically modified, but if baby formula is manufactured in foreign countries, then these are genetically modified. The fourth reason is smoking and alcohol. Men who drink and smoke, no matter how healthy their wife's lifestyle is, baby will be born with genetic deformities. The genetic makeup will be broken. At last, I would say anger. Anger destroys your DNA. A scientist observed a droplet with a microscope. After that, he turned on harsh music. And guess what? The water droplet changed and its DNA was fully damaged. Similarly, we are also 70% water here and 80% here. We all are just water. So guys, please take care of these 5 things. What does it take? Keep the Wi-Fi router out of your room. If you use mobile phone, keep its access limited. Don't use mobile phones the whole day. Your DNA will start repairing if you eat a healthy diet and take proper minerals. But this video is about your GI tract, where digestion takes place. How to fix that? To understand that, I have already explained genetic theory to you. Now, I'll explain you germs theory. What are germs? Germs are microorganisms. These tiny creatures cannot be seen by naked eye. Bacteria, fungi, and molds. They are very opportunistic, both in the human body as well as plants. In human life, if you bury a human body in a graveyard and open it after some time, it will be turned into dust. Which thing is responsible for this change? What made it turn into dust? These are microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, molds. These are the same bacteria that were protecting this human body, and now, when the external environment is changed, no nourishment is given to the body, no water, no air, then this body is turned into ashes. Microorganisms, they make lives as well as take lives. Let's take an example of an apple tree. There are 3 components: the roots, soil, and microorganisms. These microorganisms, when they act as good bacteria, they have 3 functions. The first one is nutritional breakdown. When organic manure is put into the soil, microorganisms break down the iron and vitamins and give them to the plant. Then they protect this plant from bad bacteria. Only those plants get infected by bad bacteria which are grown in undernourished soil. The third function is helping in nutrient absorption. Absorption of nutrients in apples is the work done by microorganisms. When a plant produces apples, it produces nutrition with the help of photosynthesis. 50% is transferred to the apple and the other 50% is given back to the microorganisms. Similarly, in humans also, microorganisms have 3 functions in the GI tract. Nutrient breakdown, meaning you ate broccoli rich in vitamin C. These microorganisms will decide whether it will make collagen or not. It protects us from bad bacteria and absorbs nutrition. Our good bacteria start to die, which causes a leaky gut. All our autoimmune conditions are caused by leaky gut. That means when we consume wheat or milk, the big molecules enter the GI tract and make our immune system overactive. This is the reason why I suggest people quit gluten and dairy. What scares these good bacteria? C-section delivery. When a child is born naturally, it passes through the vagina of a mother where the bacteria lies. If mother has bad bacteria there, then child will also have bad bacteria. Now you'll tell me that Palak, my child frequently falls ill. Of course, these guys are responsible for low immunity because of a lack of nutrition. Even if you give proper nutrition, it will not make any difference because to break down and absorb nutrients, no good bacteria are present. So how can you combat this situation? New mothers, while breastfeeding their kids, can put probiotics powder, lactobacillus, on their nipples. You can use my pre-probiotic powder also, which you can apply to your nipples and feed your child. Does that mean kids born with C-sections have zero exposure to good bacteria? No guys, they may have good bacteria in their skin but lack the real ones present in GI tract. But you can always regrow it. When you start giving food to your baby, give them fermented foods and foods rich in probiotics, and the child will be healthy. Second is antibiotics. What is biotic? Biotic means life. Antibiotic means anti-life. What is a probiotic? It means pro for life. Antibiotics have saved many lives, but their overuse has destroyed good bacteria from our bodies. A human body is capable of only one antibiotic course in lifetime. If you have done it more than once, then all your good bacteria have also vanished. Third, different types of medications like statin drugs, blood pressure, cholesterol, they kill your good bacteria. These bacteria molds are too dangerous for your health. They are very deadly. Cancer is also a type of deadly fungus. When a cell is infected by cancer, it starts to spread to other cells and damage them. These cells are killed by chemotherapy. So guys, if you want to reverse any disease, you should understand both genetic and germ theory. And what is the solution to this? The solution is to repair your DNA as well as your GI tract. Now, how do you repair your GI tract? The two most powerful herbs to repair GI tract are slippery M and aloe vera. You can check my leaky gut powder. I have put these two in that powder. How does it work? Your GI tract has some holes, and this covers those holes so that no food particles can pass through. Plus, both these herbs have growth factors. These grow new cells, but for that, the information required in DNA and RNA is given by other ingredients present in this leaky gut powder. So guys, I wish you all a very speedy recovery. Cure your GI tract and your kids too. All the good health from Palak.